Here, state which of the following are rational numbers. Give reasons. First, we get an idea of the rational number. What is the form of the rational number? The rational number form is Q equal to set of either A by B or P by Q such that for all A comma B belongs to integers, B should not equal to 0, should not be 0. Okay, that is the condition of the rational number. Here 3 by 7, 3 by 7 means it is in A by B, 3 and 7 both are belongs to integers, so it is belongs to Q. Why? Reason means 7 is not equal to 0. So it is a rational number. 123 by 478 so belongs to Q, which is in
Q.
A by B form, and B should not equal to 0. This is also belongs to Q. 1 by 1000. 1000 is not equal to 0. 0 by 68, it is also belongs to Q. 0 by
Q.
something, whatever the value is there in the denominator, it is equal to 0 only. So
Yeah.
it clearly belongs to Q. Why? Because the denominator is not equal to 0, which is in the form of A by B. Here B is not equal to 0. Just you can concentrate in the denominator part only. So Q means it's a rational number. Okay, belongs to Q means it's a rational number.
Rational number.
893 by 0, it's not defined. Why?
Not
Because
defined.
it's not a rational number. It's not a rational number.
Rational number.
Why? Because in the denominator B is equal to 0.
B
So
is
it's
equal
not
to
a
0.
rational number. So minus 8 by 9 is a rational number. Is a rational number. Why? Because 9 is not equal to 0. The
9 is not.
denominator part is a non-zero value. Minus 6 by minus 25, minus and minus both will be get cancelled. It is 6 by 25, or if it is in the form of minus 6 by minus 25 is also a rational number. Just we can check out is in the denominator 0 or not. If it is not 0, then it's a rational number. This is
Rational.
also rational number. Why? Because the denominator value is a non-zero. Standard form of the rational number means the standard form of the rational number. The rational number form is in the A by B. For all A comma B belongs to Z and B is not equal to 0. This is the rational number set form. Okay. In this standard form means the numerator and denominator both are having the common factor only one. That is the one thing. So A by B, it is in the standard form means that is numerator and denominator. That is nothing but A and B having only one is the common factor. One is the common factor. And second condition is the denominator should be positive always. The denominator should be positive. If the denominator having the negative, then you should multiply and divide with the minus. We know the basic operations of the multiplication with the signs means minus into minus is equal to plus. Plus
Plus.
into minus is equal to minus. Minus into
Minus.
plus equal to minus. Plus
Minus.
into plus equal to plus. If,
Plus.
for example, 2 by minus 3 is there. In this case, we can transfer to standard form. We are reduced to standard form means the denominator having the negative and 2 and 3 both are prime factors. prime numbers. Prime numbers means both should have only one is the common factor. Why? Because 2 and 3 are prime numbers. If the prime numbers means the definition of the prime number is 1 and itself for the factors, then the number is called as the prime factor. So
Right.
here the second condition is not satisfied. Why? Because the denominator has negative. So we should multiply with the -1 in the numerator and denominator, then 2 into -1 equal to -2 by minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3. So -2 by 3 is the standard form. If the denominator having the negative, then we should multiply with -1 as numerator and denominator. Then it is convert into numerator as negative. Okay, this is the, if the fraction, what is the standard form means the rational number. First we can check out the numerator and denominator both are having only one is a common factor or other. If any other factor is there, we should divide with the number as numerator and denominator. And if the denominator is positive, then it should be standard form. For example, we are discussing some problems. Which of the following are in standard form? Same exercise 1A. Which of the following are in standard form? If they are not, convert them into standard form. First one 4 by 6, second one 4 by -9, C -11 by -13, D -21 by -28, E -42 by +48, F 18 by 15, G -346 by 692, H 12 by 6. The condition of the standard form means numerator and denominator having the common factor is 1. But here 4 and 6 means these two are even numbers. If the two are even numbers means it should be divided with 2. It will goes in the 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So the common factor is 2 in 4 and 6. So we should divide with the 2 in the numerator and denominator. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 threes are. So it's 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means it's clearly these two are prime numbers and the denominator having positive. So it is a standard form. Is a standard form like that. Here, second one, B question, 4 by 9. 9 is odd number, 4 is even number. So if 1 is odd, 1 is even, then no common factor. Okay. And here the denominator number has negative sign. Immediately we should multiply with the -1 in the numerator and denominator. So it is equal to 4 into -1s are -4, minus into minus plus, 9 ones are 9, is a standard form. is a standard form. Next here, 11 and 13. 11 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number. So two prime numbers and both are odd numbers. But the negative number has negative sign, means we should multiply with -1 in the numerator and denominator. It is equal to -11, 1 into -1, it's 11, minus 13 into -1, it's 13. So it's clearly is a standard form. Okay. Here also, if two minus are there, both minus should be get cancelled. And here 28 is there, 21 is there. You check out which table the two numbers will come. Clearly, I know it. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So 21 and 28 both are having the common factor is 7. So we should divide with 7 in the numerator and denominator. Then 7 1s are 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So if we should multiply, we should divide with -7, then minus is also get cancelled. So it is a standard form. The same thing here, denominator has positive, and 42 and 48 means both numbers will come in the 8 table or 6 table. Just you check out 6 table. 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48. So the both numbers having the common factor is 6. So we should divide with 6 in the numerator and denominator. 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48. It is a standard form. 18 and 15. These two numbers come in the 3 table. So 3 table means 3 is a common factor of 18 and 15. So we should divide with 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 5 are 15. So it is a standard form. Why? Because 5 is a prime number in this. Here 7 is a prime number. If any one of the number is a prime number, it's clearly standard form. And check out the denominator having positive or negative. It's clearly positive. No worries. Next here, 6 is there. In the ones place, 6 is there, 2 is there. So even numbers. Even numbers means 2 is a common factor. 2 means -2 1s are, 2 7s are, 2 3s are. 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 6s are. Again check out in which table it will come. If 3 tables, sum of the digits, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here, it's 11 means not. Comes in the 3 table, 9 table also. Next difference. Snow. So it is a standard form. If any other number is common in 173 and 248, we check out. Okay. The H, 6 is a clearly common factor. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. It's 2 by 1 is a standard form. So like that, we can check it in which table the two numbers will come. If the two numbers will come in the same table, that number is a common factor in 2. Okay. And here clearly you can see here. What is this? 173 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 1 2 1s are 2, plus 1 3, 346. So 173 is a common factor in the two numbers. So 173 divides with 173 with negative means -1 by 2 is a standard form. Like this, we can check it. Is it? See here, The third one, fill in the boxes. 4 by 5 minus 12 by empty box, 20 upon empty box. Just you can take 4 by 5, 4 upon 5. In 4 table, 4 how much? 12. That you check out.
4, 6,
4,
6.
4, 6, 4, 6,
Oh, 3, 3, 3, 3.
3. But here negative is there, minus 12 is there.
Minus
So
3.
you should multiply with minus 3. What you are multiplying in the numerator, the same number you should multiply with the denominator also. Now you can 4 minus 3 is a minus 12. 5 minus 3 is a minus 15.
Minus 15.
So what is the number in the empty box? Minus 15 will come.
Minus
Again
15.
you can check out. Minus minus get cancelled. 12 and 15 will come in the 3 table. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. It's clear. No doubt about this one. Again, how much? 4 how much? 20. Just to how you can. 20 is divided with 4. 4 5s are 20. So you should multiply 4 into 5. Then you are getting the numerator value. The denominator is also multiplying with the same number.
5.
So 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are
25.
5. Now these three are equivalent fractions. Okay, if the numbers, the fractions are equal one to another means when we are multiplying 4 by 5 with the minus 3 and minus 3, you are getting the minus 12 by minus 15. So minus 12 by minus 15 standard form is 4 by 5 only. 20 by 25 standard form is also 4 by 5 only. Why? Because in 20 and 25, these two numbers will come in the 5 table. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So the standard form of 20 upon 25 is 4 upon 5 minus 12 upon minus 15. Standard form is also 4 upon 5. So these three fractions are equivalent fractions. So how we are finding the empty boxes numbers means just you divide what they have given the same place of the numbers. Here minus 15 is divided with minus 5. Minus into minus plus. 5 3s are
Plus
15. So you should multiply with 3. Minus 5 into 3 means 7 is also multiplied with 3. 5 3s are 15 with negative sign. 7 3s are
7, 3, 21.
21. Again, 35 minus 35 minus 5. 5 7s are 35. So, minus 5 into 7 minus 35. So, we should multiply minus 5 by 7 into 7 by 7.
7.
5 7s are minus 35.
35.
7 7s are 49.
49.
So, it is 49. So the standard form of minus 15 by 21 is minus 5 by 7 only. Minus 35 by 49 standard form is also minus 5 by 7 only. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Next, 6 by 16. 6 upon minus 16. 6 and 16 both are even numbers. If both are even numbers means clearly we know that 2 is a common factor.
Common
So
factor.
6 and minus 16 divides with 2. You are getting 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. Denominator has negative sign.
Negative
So
sign.
if the numerator is positive means we should multiply with the minus 1 and minus 1. You are getting the minus 3 upon 8. So
8.
here it is 8. Next, 8, how much the 24? Again, you read the 8 table. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are
8 3
24.
24.
So you should multiply with the 3 in the numerator
3
and
table.
denominator. So 3 threes are minus 9. Minus 9 by 24 is
24.
equal to 6 by minus 16. It is equal to minus 3 by 8. Okay. In the same case, here 16 and 24. These two are even numbers in two table. If divide with the 2, then 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24. So here 8 is there. Clearly it is 12. Okay. Then here negative is there. 16, how much are 32? 16 twos are. But it has negative means you should multiply with the minus 2 in the numerator and
Minus.
denominator. 16 twos are minus 32, 24 twos are minus 48. So it should be minus 48. So the standard forms of 8 by 12 is a 2 by 3. So these three are equivalent fractions. These three are equivalent fractions. So equal to fraction means such fractions are said to be the equivalent fractions. Okay.
Okay.
Fourth question. Express the following as rational numbers with positive denominators. Just we can reduce the denominator as negative, reduce to positive only. How to reduce to positive? We should multiply with the minus 1 in the numerator and denominator. It should be convert into denominator as positive. Why?
Okay.
Because we know that minus into minus is equal to plus.
Plus.
Minus 29 into minus 1 is plus 29. 12 into minus 1 is minus 12. So this is equal to positive denominator means minus 3 by 8. Just what is the number is there? If the denominator has negative sign, that will goes to the positive. That sign is goes to the numerator only, not positive. Denominator as positive, the sign goes to
The numerator.
numerator.
The
Why?
numerator.
Because if we should multiply minus 1 and minus 1, then the numerator
The
sign will
numerator
change, the
will be
denominator sign will change. So here minus 8 in the denominator means the numerator sign will change, minus 3 by 8. Both the signs will change when we multiply with the minus 1 in the numerator and denominator. Simply this minus minus and get cancelled. When we should multiply with the minus 1 in the numerator and denominator, it's clearly 16 by 24. Here also minus minus get cancelled. 6 by 19.
6 by 19.
If in the denominator negative is there, that is taking to numerator only. Just to reverse the signs. Positive will become negative, negative will become positive. When they are asking the reduce to
Positive
positive
denominator.
denominator means. Okay. Convert the rational numbers 4 by 9. So 4 by 9 convert into equivalent rational numbers with the following numerators. 20 by something, minus 16 by, 12 by, minus 24 by. Okay. Now you check it. 4 how much are 20? 4 5s are 20.
4 5.
The
9
denominator
5.
is also multiply with 5. 9 5s
5.
are
45.
45. In the same way, 16, 4 into 4 is positive, positive into negative is negative. So 4
Negative.
4s are 16. So it's 4 4s are 16. 4
16.
into minus 4 minus 16. The denominator is 9 is also multiplied with minus 4. 9 fours are 36 with the negative
36.
sign. So it is minus 36. Next, 4, how much are 12? 4 3s are 12.
4 3
What is the fraction? What is the rational number? 4 by 9. 4 by 9. 4 is multiplied with 3 in the numerator means
9 3
with the
9 3 27.
yes, it's 27. 4 6 are 24 with minus 6. So 9 into minus 6, it's
9 6
54.
54.
These are the equivalent fractions, equivalent rational
Fractions.
numbers. Okay. Sixth question, locate the points on your number line. The first one is A, 3 by 7 minus 2 by 7, 1 minus 8 by 7, 0. B is minus 4 by 3, 1 by 3, 7 by 3, 0, 2. C is 4 by 5, 10 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 7 by 5, 1. First, you take the number line. It is the A. The number line is, this is a number line. Okay. In this midpoint is 0. The left side values are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, like that. The right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. Here observe, in the denominator all are having the 2 are integers, the remaining are the fractions, all are having the 7 is a number. So the each and every number divide with 7. 7. See here, 7 by 7 is equal to 1. Here minus 7 by 7, it is equal to minus 1.
Minus 1.
Now it's 0. Okay. Next, minus 2 by 7. This is the minus 2 by 7. Next, it's over. 0 over. 3 by 7.
3 by 7.
3 by 7. Minus 8 by 7. Next, 1. 1 is 7 by 7.
7 upon 7.
Okay. If write the number, if they are not asking the ascending or descending order, if they are asking the show on the number line or locate on the number line and write the ascending or descending means ascending order. Ascending order means small to big.
Small to
The
bigger.
left to right numbers are small to big. Whatever the numbers are there, left to right, we are taking that is small numbers. Minus 8 by 7, minus 2 by 7, 0, 3 by 7, 7 by 7 is 1.
7 by.
So descending order means reverse of the ascending order. So 1, 3 by 7, 0, minus 2 by 7, minus 8 by 7.
8 by 7.
Okay, like that. The second question, B. Again take the number line. Midpoint is 0. The right side 1, 2, 3,
2 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like that. Here minus 1,
Minus 1.
minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Okay. left side. Here, observe the numbers. By 3 is there. So you divide each and every number with 3.
3.
0 by 3 is 0 only. Okay, no worry about that. Just you write all numbers divide with 3. See here, 3 by 3 is equal to 1.
1.
6 by 3, 3 ones are 3 twos are.
3 to the
3 ones are 3 threes are.
3.
It's
3.
3. Like that. Here, minus 3 by 3 is
Minus 3.
minus 1. Minus 6
1.
by 3 is minus 2. Minus 9 by 3 is minus 3.
Minus
Now
3.
locate minus 4 by 3. This is minus 4 by 3. Next to 1 by 3. It is 1 by 3. 7 by 3. It's 0. 0 by 3 is 0.
0.
2. 2 means 6
6
by
by
3
3.
is 2. Write in ascending order. Ascending order means minus
Small
4
2.
by 3, 0, 1 by 3, 2, 7 by 3. Okay. Descending order.
Oh,
Descending order is 7 by 3, 2,
7 by 3.
1 by
2.
3,
1.
0, minus 4 by 3. Next, third one, you do homework. Okay.
Okay. Minus
Fill in the
11 by 3
boxes
greater.
using equal, less than, or greater than, or less than. Here, minus 11 by 3 box. Is it less than or greater than or equal? Minus 2 by 3. Just you check out. Minus 11 is right side. Number is minus 2. Minus 11 is left side. Minus 2 is the right side. Which number is right side is there? That is greater number comparatively left side. See here, 0 and 1. 0 is the left side, 1 is the right side. So 1 is the greater than of 0.
1 is a greater.
The same thing, minus 11 and minus 2. First, you can observe the denominator values are same or not. If the denominator values are same, just you check out the numerator. The numerator numbers, which is right side value. Just here, minus 2 is the right side.
Minus 2 by
Less than. Why you are saying greater than? If the numbers, one more thing, if both are having the negative numbers, in that 11 is more, but negative 11, the minus 11 is the lesser than the minus 2. Here also, minus 7 and minus 12 is there. Minus 7
minus 7
is
by
the
3.
more value comparatively minus 12. By the numbers 12 is more, but when we put negative sign,
And the negative sign is
that
the smaller one is bigger.
smaller only. So this is greater. Why? Because minus 12 is left side, minus 7 is the right side number.
Right side.
Here, negative and positives are there. Negative always left side of the positive number. So 3 by 3 is the greater than of minus 5 by 3. Next, minus 9 by 3, 0 by 3 or 0 upon 3. 0 upon 3 means that is 0 value. Here also, the negative, each and every value is less than of 0 only. Why? Because 0 is the more of the negative values. So it's less than 0. Here minus 10 is the left side value. Right, minus 5 is the right side. So it is also less than.
Minus 5.
Here 2 and 8. 2 is the smaller value comparatively 8. Why? Because
8.
when we discuss in the positive sign, the smaller number is smaller only, bigger number is bigger.
Bigger is
When we
bigger.
are discussing in the two negative numbers means smaller number is a bigger, bigger number is a smaller. So
Smaller.
it's greater than 6 by 3. One is positive, one is negative means always positive is greater. So 12 by 3 minus 1 by 3, it's greater
12
is
by 3.
positive one. When the denominators are same in the fractions, such equilateral fractions we are comparing, like fractions we are comparing means just we can observe the signs. If the two are having the negative sign means which number is smaller, the seeing of the number 1, 2, 3, that is the bigger. If both are having the positive means bigger is only bigger. Okay. Eighth bit, determine which of the two rational numbers is greater in each case. In this case, if you observe the given numbers are like fractions or unlike fractions. Like fractions means the denominator
Like.
numbers are same, then those are called as like fractions. The
Like.
denominator numbers are not same, those are called as unlike fractions.
Unlike fractions.
So we can easy to identify which one is greater in like fractions. Why? Because the denominators are same. If we are comparing the numerator one is great, one is negative, one is positive means the positive sign number is
Positive number is
than
greater.
of the negative number. So in the first case, 2 by 7 is greater than
Minus 3 by 7.
minus 3 upon 7. But in the second case, B question, minus 4 by 9 and minus 5 by 6. First, taking the LCM of 6 and 9.
6.
6 and 9 LCM means 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So LCM equal to 3 into 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 is the
18.
LCM. So we can convert into like fractions when two are unlike. We know that 9 2s are 18, 6 3s are 18. So
18.
9 is in denominator means we should multiply with 2 in numerator and denominator. If 6 is in denominator means multiply with 3 in the numerator and denominator. So these two fractions are reduced to like fractions. Minus 4 2s are minus 8 by 18. Minus 5 3s are minus 15 by 18. Now these two are like fractions. If these two are like fractions and both are having the negative sign, the negative sign means the negative sign of the smaller number is greater than the negative sign of the
Greater than
bigger number. So here minus 8 by 18 is
18.
equal to
18.
minus 4 by 9. So we can say that minus 4 by 9 is greater than minus 5 by 6. Why? Because these two numbers are not given. They have given only fractions, which are the given numbers. We are comparing with those two numbers only. You don't write minus 8 by 18 is greater than minus 15 by 18. This 8 by 18 is equivalent to which fraction? You write that given fraction only. Okay. C.
Okay.
1 by 2, 4 by 7. 1 by 2, 4 by 7 means 2 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. So first we can take the LCM of 2 and 7. Both are prime numbers means multiply of two numbers. 2 into 7, 14 is the LCM. So we should convert into like fractions. 2 is multiplied with 7 in the numerator and denominator. 7 is multiplied with 2 means the same number is multiplying with the numerator. 7 ones are 7 by 14.
7.
8 by 14. In this, which one is greater? 8 by 14 is a greater. Why? Because both are having the positive sign.
Both are having positive sign.
Comparing the numerator values, which is bigger number is that is the greater. So we say that 8 by 14 is equivalent to 4 by 7. 4 by 7 is greater than 1 by 2. You should write. You should write. You don't see and listen. Listen and write. Third question. Fourth question. Sorry. Fourth one is minus 7 by 11, 5 by 8. 11 is a prime number taking the LCM of 11 and 8. 11 into 8 is 88. Convert into like fractions. We should multiply with 8 in the denominator. 11 is there. We should multiply with 11 if the denominator has 8. So 8 sevens are 56 minus 56 by 88. 5 11s are 55 by 88. And one more thing, if we won't find out the LCM also, we can say that if the both numbers are positive or negative, if one is positive, one is negative, means clearly the positive fraction is a greater than of the negative fraction. So we can say that here so 5 by 8 is greater than minus 7 by 11, like that. If both are negative, means negative get cancelled. 3 by 13, 5 by 21 equals minus 3 by 13 minus 5 by minus 21. See here, minus get cancelled means 3 by 13 is a positive value, 5 by 21 is a positive value. So here 13 is a prime number. So 13 into 21, 21 3s are 63, 6 is carrying, 21 1s are 21, 273. It should multiply with 21, it is multiplied with 13. So 21 3s are 63 by 273, 5 3s are 15, 1 5 1s are 5, 13 5s are 65 by 273. Which is greater? 65 by 270.
65 by 270.
Actually, this is equal to 5 by 21. 63 by 273 is equal to 3 by 13. So which one is greater? We can say that 5 by 21 is greater than 3 by 13.